Guys, I'm gonna film making pancakes. So I haven't done it in ages and I have no content. Let's go! What am I doing? What are we having? Eggs. As usual. Look at that, guys. So we need 4 ounces of this stuff. Oh no, we're not having 4. It's 8 ounces, isn't it? Right. We're gonna be here a while. It's Megan! Hello, doggo. Oh no! It died, so I have no idea how much is in there. Just remembered you're supposed to put the liquids in first. Oops. That goes on there. Oh. Right, oh, lid. Looks about right. Come on. Right one. Let's have you. Oil. Let's try that. This time we're going to use G-Swine. Slightly better sound. Wait. Yoink! That bit looks good. That bit not so much. Oh! I lost my pancake. But no. Ooh.
Oh my goodness, it's miniature!
Oh, I like that sound. Quite chunky. Oh. Very well done.
Okay.
So I'm done making all those ridiculous pancakes. Oh my goodness. The last one I made looked like a full-on crepe. It was thick, mate. Look at that. It looks like a giant American pancake. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already and give it a big thumbs up if you like what you see. And see you next week. Bye. Hi dog. Hello doggo. Hi. Hey doggo. We'll leave you away from my doggos. Pussy. Pussy. So the moral of the story is I can't cook.